answer me, girl? Or do you have a dream of me? I need ounces. She say she love the way that I kiss on her neck.
Welcome to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching. If you are new, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Make sure you're not missing any of our good videos, my love. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I get my hair silky straight. And I'm also going to show you guys how to kind of customize your frontal, because as you guys can see, I barely have a hairline right now going on. Okay, so I'm using a total of 4 bundles, kinda. I'm using an 18-inch frontal and 3 24-inch bundles. I'm sorry if the video seems off. I have bad hiccups right now, and it's like I'll probably be cutting out. Actually, I'm just going to say excuse me when I have the hiccups, but yeah, sorry, because I have hiccups. So first thing I'm going to do is actually tell you guys to shop Julia Hair. You guys might think this sounds familiar because this hair company actually we just collabed together recently on some natural wave hair, and now I'm doing their straight hair. And I think I actually tried straight hair before, but not this long, and I haven't worn their straight hair in a while, so we're about to retest it out. Okay, I'm so sorry about my hiccups, y'all. My frontal is looking somewhat natural. I basically just took some foundation and patted it into my scalp. I really don't have to plug it because I mean their frontal isn't really thick. I'm gonna pluck like some baby hairs or like just the hairline, but yeah, their frontals are pretty bomb. Like I haven't even flat ironed this hair yet and it's already laying good. First thing I'm going to do is cut off this extra lace. Take your time, guys. Look at how full this is. And not to mention, like, you know, the longer the bundles, the shorter, the thinner the bundles, and this looks bomb, y'all. Okay. I have cut all the net off finally, and y'all see me like cutting excuse me, like my hair out, but it's just because like that's too hot on my ears, so I just cut the hair off. Okay, so it might not look like a major change, but I definitely do have my super small widow's peak right there, and then I just push back like these right here because they're like too close to my eyebrow. But yeah, I want the full look on my edges. When I do this look, I really don't want to do my edges. I just want to leave them straight back. Already looks so sleek. Okay, and once you literally have done your hairline edges or whatever and flattened your frontal, it literally looks like your hair grew from your scalp. I put, of course, some heat protectant on my hair. Take this argan oil, I think it is. Yeah, one and only argan oil, the treatment oil, I guess. Take like a dime size because this stuff is really shiny and just glossy. And rub it on the top of my hair, and then split my hair in two and rub it on the ends of my hair. I don't put it on the middle. I try to like put it on the ends of my hair. If you have to, you can use some more. I put the heavy oil on the ends and then take this light oil. I put a good amount for the light oil, but I take this light oil and spray it on my hands once again, and and rub my fingers through my hair. Make sure you get in the neck area where your neck is. And now your final step is to flat iron your hair. Now we got some action going on. You guys are gonna start to notice the difference. I feel like once you flat iron it, you get its best like form. Okay guys, so I'm in here, I'm starting to get hot. I know y'all can see like the hair starting to like, well, not bunch up over here, I guess. Look, it kind of like curves at the end. This side over here is literally like so flawless, and it doesn't bump at the end either. And you can like put it back in place all fine and stuff. This you gotta like, no, I'm kidding. This is some good hair though. You can definitely achieve that bone straight look. That frontal is blessing me right now. It's getting bone straight, okay? But yeah, like I said, the thinner the pieces, the better you'll achieve that straight look. You can see a difference. Okay, so ultimately you'll be able to just, you know, get this look in the end. Again, this is 3 bundles of 24 inches. So yeah, you can play around with the hair, but I mean, if you want to comb it straight back or have some in the front, you can have some on one side. But yeah, we're just gonna comb it straight to the back. It's hot in the bathroom, right? Get out. Literally all I did to make my wig look natural was put a little dome cap under, put some foundation on it, and I glued it down, cut it, and then I plucked it afterwards, and then, you know, snip some parts off if I wanted to make like a deeper cut or whatever. And then I put some heat protection on it, some oil, flat ironed it, and we're all good to go. So you could even go for like the full look in the front, or you can throw it on back and then bring some up to the front, and you got hair in the back now. Check out Julia's straight hair, guys. I think their straight hair has to be my all-time favorite, just because like there is no possible way you can get this hair any more bone straight than you already do. And I feel like their hair is the closest to like those raw bundles y'all be seeing on Instagram and stuff. Like their hair is the closest to raw bundles, I guess you could say, because their hair is virgin hair, but the raw Indian bundles and stuff, the closest Aliexpress hair store that I worked with to like some raw hair. This is the bombest hair you guys will probably order from Aliexpress, unless I say otherwise, which I probably won't. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Go check out Julia, guys. If you want this exact look, this link will be in the description box. There is like a back to school sale, so go check that out, because you know school's around the corner, and who wants to, you know, pay all that money for hair? You guys want some discounts? Go check them out. Also, if you guys want the natural way hair